Yeah. I mean, big up Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out.
You're watching Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, on the motor we are going, you know. Head out the road in idea again. Look food somewhere out the grass. Can't stay home and get hungry, you know what I mean? Out there again. Some motorway, you know. Up in our far place. You know what I mean? 100 odd miles from my yard. Just a two road. Out in a Yorkshire, you know. Far from home. Yeah. Slow down in a different town. Sooner or later. Up in high town, you know. Up in them town. Up in our Leeds, you know? Yeah, up in them town. Don't they start tonight, you know? Up in our town. Yeah. Up in a Leeds town, you know?
Okay, but you must be there when I'm for 5 minutes before.
Yeah, and a video I make. Camera there. Yeah. Up in a Leeds. Way up in a Yorkshire, you know? Up in a them town. Leeds itself. Chapel Street, Chapel Town. Up in a Leeds, you know? City of Leeds, you know? Welcome small tour, you know? Up in a Leeds town. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Yeah. Bling lifestyle. Likewise. Outside. How am I even trying to name again? Right, I will come there. Party over here. Chapeltown, you know? This I call Leeds headquarters, Chapeltown. That them for know. Yeah, fire say carnival start from it. Barrier like fuck with it. Yeah, good on Leeds, you know? Chapeltown. Yeah, look how we are. We're so full of stuff. Here and there. People put out already there. See them mad sitting. People put out already. See the carnival start. Yes, carnival start. Them for know. Think of Manchester this way, them run up and down.
But this look promising.
Carnival start. See my shit. Skippy! Carnival start.
You not change me, blood. Them not change. Our arm never prepare tomorrow.
Yo, carnival start. See them outside. Find a parking space. Go over carnival park. Go over carnival. It's much better than people that are already. Let's just keep them money to put out already. See it there? Just sat there and see it there. Carnival start already. Carnival start. Carnival start. Outside, everything start early. And tomorrow on Monday a carnival. Yes, people. Saturday evening. And carnival now start till tomorrow. And look here. Start early. Saturday evening. And watch how the place look. Festives already. People out. Start out. I'm not even touch the park yet. Touch the park yet. It's festive already, people. And Sunday and Monday are carnival. Saturday evening, I look what it look like. Carnival festive already, people. Look what it look like. Outside Saturday evening, carnival fever, mad. People, Saturday evening. Carnival no start till tomorrow. And look outside. Look what I'm going outside. I'm ready to judge tomorrow. Leeds Carnival. And we're outside. Mad sitting tomorrow. Straight mad. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out to the people then. Yeah, I tell you. Saturday evening and look what I go on. Yo, me can't can't get no bulb, you know. Well, no shit is the car extension. No, I'm talking to you now. You have to tell someone to the car outside. Saturday evening. Carnival will start till tomorrow and look what go on. People them batten down. Gravy where you there? Yeah, try to put it on the stove. Roast breadfruit in the carnival. Mad. See that? Saturday evening and the place festive already. So judge tomorrow. Chapeltown to be exact. Leeds. Carnival fever ripe. Outside. All elders corner. Elders corner. Big up all the elders them. Big up all the elders them. Big up all the elders them. Elders corner. Domino and such and such. Right from the elders corner, you know. See there? People in carnival fever, right. Saturday evening, I'm not touch the park yet. I was out on the street this and look where I go on. All tomorrow I'm mad sitting. Tomorrow day no good again. Tomorrow day no good again. Mad sitting in the carnival all today. Outside. Wait till tomorrow. Chapeltown to be exact. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe to it.
Yeah. 100.
Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Pick up yourself. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Yes. Outside. Carnival fever gone mad. Outside. Yeah. Leeds Carnival Saturday night. Just a come here. Just a pick up. Night. Saturday night. Carnival not start till tomorrow. The place look festive already. No doubt about it. Tomorrow, that's what the place look like. Yeah, Jamaican, subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside, so I look like Saturday night, the night come down. See their carnival no start yet. Saturday night tonight. Place no start yet, I see a look there. Yeah, that's Saturday night. Carnival start tomorrow. I see a look like yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside. See what it look like, Yes, festive. What it look like, And tonight is Saturday night. So judge tomorrow night. Judge tomorrow night when the park bus. People like a rice grain. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, yeah? Outside. Outside. Yeah. Yes, everybody out tonight. Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Yes, bye-bye.
Yes, Jamaican Life Abroad. Subscribe to my channel.
Oh, okay, Jamaican Life Abroad. Don't get me on the floor.
Jamaican Life Abroad. Alright.
Big up Liverpool.
Big up Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Hallelujah.
Alright. See what it look like, yeah? People. Saturday night and tomorrow Carnival start. And church are going there already. Mad out the road. Mad out the road. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe to my channel, please. YouTube. You see that? The sound lock off now. Saturday night. You don't have to club on. Because the club over there always on, you know. See that? Sound lock off. Until tomorrow. So you know what time of day it is. The outside same way. Yeah. Saturday night, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe to my channel. Please. Outside, outside. Jamaican Life Abroad. See there, yeah man, Jamaican Life Abroad TV, yeah. See there people. Saturday night. Carnival not even start yet. Tomorrow before Carnival start. And the place festive. People them out already. And Carnival not start yet. And I saw them just lock off. Saw them just lock off until tomorrow. So people them out. Saturday night. And the people them out. Mad sitting there going. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Big up Bling Lifestyle. Yeah, I'm always there, but I'm not there till this. Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Jamaican
Life Abroad TV. Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah,
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad. Outside. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad. Yes, officer. Good night. Night. Yeah. We're outside night. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside. Subscribe to my channel, please. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside.
Jamaica abroad TV.
Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad.
Alright.
Yeah.
All the Jamaicans, Jim.
Oh, you mean?
Big up all the
Yeah. Jamaican Life, L-I-F-E. We outside. Carnival not started, but the place festive. See there, look how it look. We outside. May I tell you, sound just lock off. And the place festive. Saturday night, yes, subscribe to my channel, please. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe. Yes, outside. Outside.
We
Yes.
outside.
I mean, big up Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Out. Place festive.
What is that?
YouTube. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Saturday night and the place festive, you know. We out. Get you setting up for tomorrow. Everybody out and mad. Check out the stall them. And tomorrow don't come yet. Look how the place look. And I know I'm not going to High Park. I know up on the outskirts, I'm not touching High Park all now. But we out, you know. Thing no normal. All tomorrow I'm mad sitting out here.
Mad sitting out here, my brother.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside.
Big up the Leeds family.
Yeah, Leeds family, big up on yourself.
London family.
All about.
TJC, tell me.
Yeah, T. Jesse said big up London and Leeds. Yeah. Oh, I mean. And big up Bradford. Big up Sheffield. And big up Birmingham.
Strong.
Manchester. Big up on yourself. Ah, we're outside. And the place look festive. And I just Saturday night. Ah, we out. You know what I mean? Outside. Saturday night people on the look. See there? It's festive already. Judge all tomorrow. Judge all tomorrow. Judge all tomorrow, people mad out here. Yeah. Let me tell you, Saturday night tonight, I see where I go on there. Everybody out. And Carnival now start till tomorrow. I see it there, not even 12 o'clock yet. And the people them out. People them out mad. The people were there. Sure know where I go on tomorrow. But I touch in the park. I touch the park yet. Tomorrow I'm going to go now look. Show know what the next day look like. Out tonight, night festive season, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. People are not ready to go home yet. Saturday night. And we're outside. In our Leeds. Tomorrow Carnival start. But the people them out mad already. Big sound. Big sound string up. Sorry. Big sound string up, see there. Tomorrow a mad thing out here. And look how the place look already on Saturday night. So warm to tomorrow when the carnival start. I go mad. Mad something tomorrow. And the carnival start, now go easy. Now go normal tomorrow. For real. See there people them not even want to go home. People them not go home. It's festive. Sorry. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe to my channel, please. Jamaican Life Abroad. Yeah, we're outside. Up in our Leeds. Big up our Leeds. No, we're not going to. We are going right. No. You wonder where you can get for the what do you mean? Why not? Lies. Big up your clean self. Big up yourself. Subscribe to the channel. Big up your clean self. Yeah, big up yourself. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Up in our Leeds. Up in our Leeds. Mad sitting. Saturday night. And Sunday not come yet. Short when Sunday come. Out there mad tomorrow. Night a Saturday night I go on so. Can't manage tomorrow. Sound lock off, but can put on in jazz a morning, sound start back. Outside in our kitchen, you know. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Out. You know.
Big boy.
Outside. Outside people. Saturday night. And now the club now on it. Kinda early for the club still, but look how outside still festive. Tomorrow the place now good again. Yes, people see their sound lock off. The club outfit turn on anytime now. So people them still wait for the club start. But it's kind of a bit early.
Where are you?
So outside our club early. Outside. You know what I mean? People them still up on the street. Party not start yet. But it's about to start. And we're outside. Up in our Leeds. Yes, Saturday night. See there. Now look, subscriber. Like and share, please. Subscribe, like and share, and comment. Comment if you do a good job. Like and share and comment. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. Don't run me over now. Please and thanks. Outside looking good. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Excuse me. Can I subscribe to my YouTube channel, please?
Yeah, I'd love to. What is the YouTube channel?
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican, look at it, yeah. Say hi, Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Hi, Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Hi, that's good.
How do I?
YouTube. Jamaican.
Not sleep tight.
No, Jamaican.
Back check, yeah?
Life. No, life, that's it. Life.
She was cute the way she got that's what I do when I go for a crowd. That's really
Abroad TV. That's you.
Here it is. Like, share, and subscribe, yeah. Yes, outside.
Respect,
Yeah.
Oh, weekend.
Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside. You know what I mean?
Why for that?
Yeah. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
No, man.
And the ladies them a party. Excuse me. Can I subscribe to my YouTube channel, please? Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Life Abroad. Yeah.
I'm Carnival. You're in Carnival.
Sugar cane. How outside?
Outside.
Jamaican, how big up on yourself, when you don't come back for curry goat and rice and peas. Curry goat and rice and peas. Curry goat and, you know what I mean, white rice. Jerk chicken and rice and peas. You know what I mean?
Jamaican Life TV. Jamaican Life TV. Jamaican, you ain't never a chance. Every darkness right now, let me find a truth for you. Every darkness, God bless you. today. Wake up in the morning and Jamaican life, this is what's recorded. Let money. Oh, is that black up? Push up my chest right now. Push up my arm right now. Every man got it back by. Carnival night.
No, we need to go there. Because
Saturday night after carnival, starting a carnival, 2 o'clock in the morning, up in Yorkshire, Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside,
we outside.
Jamaican Life Abroad, Jamaican Life Abroad TV, outside, looking fruitful. Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Yeah, Sunday morning in a Leeds. Carnival not start yet. Pre-carnival. People look how it look. Shirley party. You know what I mean? Carnival now starting a little more. And outside festive already. Yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Without a doubt. Way from down so. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, UK to be exact. See night come down. Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV, please.
Sorry?
Jamaican Life Abroad TV, subscribe to.
Yes, we will.
Jamaican Life Abroad.
Jamaican Life Abroad.
Yeah. Be every Jamaican outside. See there? Yes, boss. Yeah. Bumbo clock. Jamaican Life Abroad TV, you know? Outside. That's how we are doing. There.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.